Hello, welcome to Matching Lovebirds Academy. I am Princess Thomas. I'm so glad you're here. If you ever come across this video, you're welcome. If you've ever felt frustrated with dating apps, struggled with what to say, or wished you had a safe, supportive space to build real connections, then you are in the right place. This community is all about three things. 1. Skills. Learning how to attract, communicate, and connect authentically. 2. Support. Being part of a positive group where you are not alone in this journey. Matchmaking. Meeting like-minded singles who are here for the same reasons as you. Inside the academy, you will discover a step-by-step classroom where you will master things like profile creation, messaging confidence, and first dates. Our community boards where you can introduce yourself, ask questions, share wins, and take part in fun events like matchmaking TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube live programs. Plus, always check the community calendar for live events. Everything from questions and answers to visual speed dating where you can connect. Now, this isn't just another speed-based app. This is about growth, transformation, and building real connections with people who want the same thing: love, trust, and partnership. So here is my ask for you. Jump in, introduce yourself, share what you are looking for, and engage with the community. The more you participate, the more value you will get, and the faster you will meet your match. I am so excited for you to be part of this journey. So I am welcoming you once again to the Matching Lovebirds Academy. Let's grow together. Let's connect and let's find love together. This is why we are here. We are here to help you find love, find your future partner, settle for the best. Take care and bye.